What if I told you that one simple mistake, something you're probably doing right now, is slowly killing your CVT transmission and could cost you thousands in repairs? Yep, continuously variable transmissions might seem smooth and futuristic, but they're fragile and unforgiving. One wrong habit and boom, you're headed for a $5,000 repair bill. In this video, we're diving into 13 critical secrets CVT car owners must know to avoid disaster. If you drive a car with a CVT, like a Nissan, Honda, Subaru, or even a Toyota, you can't afford to skip this. And before we jump in, hit that subscribe button right now and become part of the Care Xpert family. Because here, we don't just drive, we drive smarter. Secret 1, never skip transmission fluid changes. Most CVTs are advertised as lifetime fill, but that's a dangerous myth. The truth is, CVT fluid breaks down much faster than traditional automatic fluid due to constant belt or chain movement. Dirty fluid leads to overheating, slipping, and eventually total transmission failure. Manufacturers may not list regular fluid changes in the owner's manual, but many transmission experts recommend changing it every 30,000 to 50,000 miles, especially if you do a lot of city driving or towing. The right CVT fluid is also critical. Using the wrong type, even once, can destroy the transmission's internal components. Next up, think idling in gear is harmless? Think again. Secret 2, don't idle and drive for too long. Sitting in traffic or at long red lights with the car in drive may feel harmless, but for a CVT, it's a slow death. When you keep the car in drive while not moving, the transmission is still under load, creating unnecessary heat and stress on internal components. CVTs are especially sensitive to heat, which breaks down fluid and accelerates wear. Instead, shift to neutral if you'll be stopped for over 30 seconds. Your transmission will thank you, and it could add years to its life. But what about towing with a CVT? That's a big red flag coming up next. Secret 3, never tow beyond the limit. CVTs aren't built for brute strength. Unlike traditional automatics, they use a belt or chain system, which can snap or slip under heavy loads. Even a small trailer or a fully loaded trunk can push your CVT past its breaking point if it's not rated for it. Always check your owner's manual and stay well below the towing capacity. And if your vehicle has a CVT cooler option, get it. It helps manage the heat generated while towing. Now here's a mistake people make every single day: coasting in neutral. Secret 4, stop coasting in neutral. Many drivers believe coasting in neutral saves fuel. It doesn't. In fact, it can actually put more strain on your CVT. When you coast in neutral, you lose engine braking, which causes your brakes and transmission to work harder when you re-engage drive. Some CVTs struggle to smoothly transition from neutral to drive, especially when done at speed. It's better to let off the gas while still in drive and let the car's computer manage everything. You won't believe what overfilling transmission fluid can do. Let's talk about it. Secret 5, don't overfill CVT fluid. Too much transmission fluid is just as harmful as too little. Overfilling can cause foaming, which leads to erratic pressure, overheating, and damage to the internal CVT pump. Always use the dipstick or onboard diagnostics, if your vehicle has it, to check fluid levels properly. Better yet, let a certified mechanic handle it. A small overfill might seem like no big deal, but over time, it can lead to performance issues and total failure. Next up, is aggressive acceleration damaging your CVT? Absolutely. Secret 6, avoid sudden acceleration. CVTs don't like to be rushed. Rapid acceleration from a stop puts excessive strain on the belt or chain system inside the transmission. This isn't just about wear and tear. It can cause slippage, overheating, and long-term damage. Instead, apply a gentle, steady throttle. Most CVTs work best when treated with a light foot. You'll also get better fuel economy and smoother performance. Now let's talk about engine braking. When used right, it's a CVT's best friend. Secret 7, use engine braking properly. Many CVT drivers don't realize their car has simulated gear ranges like L or B. These modes help you control speed on hills and reduce stress on your brakes. More importantly, they protect your CVT from overheating due to prolonged brake use. Engine braking redistributes load to the engine, easing the pressure on the transmission belt. Learn when and how to use these modes, especially on long downhill roads. What happens if you don't let your CVT warm up in the winter? Let's find out. Secret 8. Don't drive hard before warm-up. Cold CVT fluid is thick and sluggish. If you slam the throttle or start driving aggressively immediately after starting your car on a cold morning, the fluid can't flow efficiently, which increases internal friction. Always let your engine and CVT warm up for a few minutes in cold weather before driving normally. This ensures smoother operation and extends transmission life. What about flushes? Are they good or bad? You need to hear this next. Secret 9. Avoid unnecessary transmission flushes. Some mechanics will try to sell you a complete transmission flush for your CVT. Don't fall for it. High-pressure flushes can actually damage a CVT by dislodging debris into sensitive parts. CVTs require gentle draining and refill, not forced flushing. If your CVT is already showing signs of trouble, a flush could push it over the edge. Stick to manufacturer-recommended fluid change intervals and methods. Do aftermarket additives help or harm? You might be surprised. Secret 10. Don't use aftermarket additives. CVTs are engineered with precise tolerances, and the fluid is specifically formulated for each design. Adding mystery additives or transmission fix products can change fluid viscosity, interfere with flow, and cause seals to deteriorate. Unless the additive is specifically approved by your car manufacturer, don't use it. Most problems these products claim to solve are actually signs your CVT needs service, not a quick chemical fix. Now let's talk about software updates. Yes, they matter. Secret 11. Don't ignore CVT software updates. Your CVT's performance is largely governed by the Transmission Control Module, TCM. Over time, manufacturers release software updates that fix shifting issues, reduce jerking, or extend lifespan. If you're experiencing strange behavior, like shuddering or slipping, it might be a software issue, not a mechanical one. Ask your dealer or mechanic to check for TCM updates. It could save you thousands. Ever wondered about engine mounts and their effect on CVT life? Let's dive in. Secret 12. Replace worn engine mounts. Promptly, a worn engine mount allows the engine to shift during acceleration or deceleration. This motion transfers unnecessary vibration and stress to your CVT, especially the pulley system. Over time, this can cause premature wear or even failure. If you feel excessive shaking, hear clunks when shifting, or notice more vibration than usual, get your mounts checked immediately. It's a small fix that can prevent a massive repair. And finally, the secret most drivers overlook completely. Secret 13. Stop ignoring early warning signs. CVTs don't fail without warning. Slipping, whining noises, jerking, hesitation, or a burning smell are all red flags. Ignoring them can mean the difference between a $200 fluid service and a $4,000 replacement. Don't wait for your dashboard to light up. Pay attention to how your car feels and sounds. Early diagnosis is the most powerful tool in protecting your CVT. Your CVT is a marvel of modern engineering, but it's fragile. These 13 secrets could be the difference between smooth driving and a transmission nightmare. So if you learned even one thing today that might save your car and your wallet, smash that like button, subscribe to Care Xpert, and hit the bell so you never miss a life-saving car tip again. Got your own CVT horror story or a tip we missed? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, drive smart, stay safe, and protect that transmission.